I started at 19 years old, having my first ever catering company. But before that, at 16 years old, it was sparked my passion to learn how to cook and get that culinary drive with my mother. Because my mother was a 2-time cancer survivor, so she had breast cancer, thyroid and breast. And it was a tough moment for me. But that moment, I decided to pivot into a brighter side, into helping her out by doing a bake sale. Hi, my name is Christian Barruos-Brens. I am currently studying at FIU, Hospitality Management, pursuing my bachelor's. I am 22 years old. My 3-time award-winning dessert is my signature Cafecito Brownies. When I was born and raised in Hialeah, my father used to take me every single morning to drink cafecito. So when he passed away, I found a spot where I could do an homage to him. And since I was doing the brownies to help out my mother and selling at school and different clients in the neighborhood, I was like, what if I make a Cafecito brownie? Not only telling the story of where I came from, where I sparked my passion through my mother's cancer journey, but another homage to my father, who really loved Cuban coffee.
Let's talk about that time when you started your business. What do you remember from those days?
Wow, I remember it was quarantine. As an entrepreneur and a business owner, it's important to learn how to adapt and adjust in certain situations. At that time, quarantine hit, and when I was doing the bake sale, I had to take a pause and think, what can I do to continue the business? Because now I'm stuck home at quarantine. So I did is I contracted Uber Eats to come to my house, deliver the stuff, the brownies, the sweets, the goodies to the clients, because I started off with my bike and I couldn't do that because since of quarantine, I had to adapt and adjust from that. So that time was an interesting time, but it was a tough time, but it was a fun time. Because not only I raised enough money for my mom, but I learned a lot during the way. And I learned how to adapt into a business, and that foundation is important. And I learned from that every single day from this now, because I have my own catering company, and there's some things you may plan it to 100% to the T, but last minute, things might change and you have to learn to adapt and adjust.
How difficult would you say is to succeed in this business?
I would say that it's very hard to become, first of all, it's hard in this industry in general. Long hours, not that many sleeps, you're gonna get tired no matter what because the heat, a lot of work, a lot of focus. So I would say it's hard, but I'm very blessed where I've learned the foundations and the skills from school where I need to just be focused on organizing and leading people and telling, working hard and just prepping a lot. But I would say it's super hard, but having a support system is very important. And I'm blessed to have a support system that helps me through the journey, because there's some days that I don't want to get out of bed because I'm tired, but I have my mom that helps me be like, let's keep going, because every single day is a new day and it's time to get the money and your brand to scale up. There's no such thing as quitting and giving up or I want to retire. No, I'm always going to keep working because I love what I do. And it's my passion. And if I could add another thing to my resume under my belt, another connection, another LinkedIn connect, that's the best thing. Because not only I am an entrepreneur by heart and a chef by heart, I have a business to run, but I also have a personality and brand to run as well. And I believe school gives me the foundation where I could leverage so many things, because the university is international. You never know who you're gonna meet in those big doors. You never know what opportunities may come after you speak to one person, to the other, to the other, to the other. Now you build a network. So I believe school is important for 2 ways, because 1, you're learning, but 2, you're making connections, and connections are gonna get you further in life, and that's what I believe.